Have you ever been on your Facebook and in the feeds or even on Instagram and you see all those delicious recipes and you save them and you never go back to them and make them? Well, I don't. But I've been seeing this one for the chocolate eclair cake and I have to make it. I think it will go excellent with the roast beef dinner I'm making in my Instant Pot. 1 cup of water, a half a cup of butter, 1 cup of flour, 4 eggs, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, 1 box of 5.1 ounce of vanilla instant pudding, which I just measured out 1 cup, 3 cups of milk, and 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. You won't use the whole container, or 1 batch of homemade whipped cream. Chocolate syrup or homemade chocolate sauce. For the crust, it says in a medium saucepan, which I guess that's medium, melt butter and water and bring it to a boil. Remove from heat and stir in the flour. Mix in 1 egg at a time. So let's start that first. Thank you, coffee pot. So I'm going to put in 1 stick of butter. Whoops, and I have 1 cup of water. Let's get that melted. Okay, that's a boil. So let's go over here for the next step. I have 1 cup of flour. Stir that in. 4 eggs, 1 at a time. But wouldn't the eggs start cooking? Because this is hot. Don't say to cool. 1 egg. Looks like scrambled eggs to me. 2 eggs. 3. 4. Whoa. Give you some muscles, I'll tell you that. Okay, now it says to spread in the pan. I'm using 2 pans. So let's see what this does first. Put it all on the bottom and the sides. Guess that's 1. Then it says to bake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown. Hers only took 25 minutes, so you might want to check it occasionally. You don't want to overcook it. It will ruin the cake. Remove from the oven and let cool. Don't touch it or push the bubbles down. So I'm going to put these in the oven. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, and here I have 3 cups of milk and 3 packs of vanilla instant pudding. Just going to mix it all up. Now here I creamed 1 8-ounce block of Philadelphia cream cheese. So I'm going to slowly add that into the pudding. It says to mix until there's no lumps. Looks like it's going to be a while. Okay, that's the best I could do. Let me tell you, that was a workout. But that's what it looks like. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator until the crust is done. Okay, this is what the crust turned out, how it turned out. It looks like it's golden brown to me. I don't know why that flipped up. Maybe I had too much, I don't know if you can see that, how it rolled down. Maybe I had too much up the sides, but that's, looks like an Eclair crust to me. Let's get these filled. I have my mixture here with the cream cheese and the pudding. And let me tell you, you need some muscles to mix that up. Okay, there's the whipped cream. Okay, that's it. Oh, silly. Okay, now say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Prescribe to us.
Prescribe. Right there's your prescription.
Subscribe to Rhonda's Nest.
Oh, come on.
Rhonda's. Please subscribe to Rhonda's video
Channel.
channel.
Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. And on that note, there you go. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.